Today I'm going to teach you how to create a scrolling announcement bar text in Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to grab your visitors' attention with moving text that displays important updates, promotions, or announcements right at the top of your site. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. Now, once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the website where you want to add the scrolling announcement bar text. This will open up the editing interface for that specific site. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Website to expand this section. Directly under it, click on Pages. This is where you manage all the different pages and elements of your site. Next, look at the left side menu again and click on Marketing Tools. This section contains powerful features to help you promote and communicate with your audience. Under Marketing Tools, click on Announcement Bar. This is the feature we'll be using to create your scrolling text. Now you'll see the announcement bar settings. The first thing you need to do is enable the announcement bar by toggling it on. Once enabled, you can customize the text inside it, type in whatever message you want to display to your visitors, whether it's a special offer, a news update, or any important information. Once you're satisfied with your text, click Save to apply these changes. Here's where we add the scrolling effect. Let's go back to Pages again by clicking on it in the left side menu. This time, click on Custom Code, and under it, click on Custom CSS. This is where you'll add the special code that makes your announcement bar text scroll across the screen. I'll paste the code here for you to copy. Feel free to pause the video at this point so you can carefully copy the exact code you need. This CSS code is what transforms your static announcement bar into a dynamic scrolling element that moves smoothly across your page. Once you've pasted the code into the custom CSS section, click Save to finalize everything. Your announcement bar should now display scrolling text that catches your visitors' eyes the moment they land on your site. And there you have it, a professional-looking scrolling announcement bar that adds movement and urgency to your Squarespace website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.